In a hidden realm, a photograph captured 3 biopunk mermaid goddesses. Their faces, a blend of human allure and cybernetic enhancement, drew viewers into their world. The photograph was not just an image, it was a portal to another dimension. The goddesses lived in a jungle where every plant shimmered with an inner light. Iridescent flowers and trees cast an ethereal glow. Deep within the jungle, mystical caverns pulsed with vibrant crystals. The gardens were unlike anything on Earth, filled with extraterrestrial blossoms and glowing mushrooms. Ghostly white mushrooms floated through the night mist, lit by twinkling fairy lights. In a saltwater mountain lake, bioluminescent creatures danced with the mermaid goddesses. A submerged city of crystal lay beneath the surface, guarded by glowing jellyfish. Inside one jellyfish, a tiny cityscape pulsed with life. A statue covered in radiant vegetation stood as a symbol of this paradisiacal haven. The photograph, taken with a wide-angle lens, displayed this entire vibrant ecosystem. Neon-hued psychedelic mushrooms grew in a rainforest filled with violet mist. Fungus that resembled jellyfish and amber emerged from the ground. A shimmering crystal refracted rainbows, offering a glimpse into this uncharted world. The goddesses, in their neon-lit laboratory, combined nature and technology seamlessly. They were the guardians of this world, their existence a harmony of organic and artificial. The photograph was a testament to their beauty and power. It was a moment frozen in time, inviting all who gazed upon it to imagine what wonders might exist beyond the known.